to my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. I'm Tasha. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button below and hit that bell to be notified. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I will be reviewing a Christian clothing brand called Never Too Fly to Pray. And it was created by a husband and wife duo. The brand idea is that you're never too busy, never too successful, and never above the need to kneel down and pray. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll give you my review. All right, so this is the box. Now let's talk about this box. I can appreciate this box because all the other brands that I have reviewed on this channel so far, their merch always comes in that gray plastic bag. But Never Too Fly to Pray is giving you a whole experience when you unbox. So look at that. It's like they spray painted the box. And then they have their logo taped around the box. So I can appreciate this. I like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the package and see what we have inside. Before I show you what's inside the box, I got a mystery box. I know that I'm receiving socks, a shirt, and a hat, but I don't know what design I'm receiving. Okay, so this is inside of the box. Nice presentation. Let's take a look at the hat. Okay, so this is the hat. And it says, "These are my church clothes." And then it has the logo, Never Too Fly to Pray. Comes with a tag with their social media information on it. And information on how they made the hat. Okay, show you the inside. So this is nice. I like this hat. And it matches like the box. So they carry that over to the packaging to make it more cohesive. So that's nice. Okay, what else here? Okay. You know the socks. Socks match the hat. Alright, so you get the same card that's tagged onto the hat. And then the socks say Never Too Fly to Pray. And it's on both sides of the sock. Nice quality sock, thick socks. Okay, the next thing should be the shirt. And there's something wrapped inside of the shirt here. So this is the founder, Jeffrey Lee. And gives you a little information. You can pause that and read that if you want to. Okay, so let's look at this shirt. So here go the shirt. And it says never too fly to pray. And it's just like have sayings of like thanking God for waking you up this morning. Yeah. It says thank you God for waking you up. And that's going all the way down the shirt. So let me show you the tag. Just say Never Too Fly to Pray. There's nothing on the sleeves. Comes with the tag. And this is something else that I'm liking from this brand. Is they're giving you a whole experience. Like they're actually putting tags on their clothes to make it makes it really nice. It's, you know, and I got all 3 of these for $19.99. And this is a thin shirt, but the quality feels good. You have stitching around the collar. Yeah, this is nice. So you have the shirt with the hat and the socks to match. Let's take a look at Never Too Fly to Pray's website. And right now it looks like they're doing a lot of mystery items. So they have mystery hats. You get 2 for $19.90. Mystery flannel, 2 for $19.90. Okay. Now let's look at what else they have. So let's go to their catalog. Okay, so the flannel, they have socks, they have mystery pins. You get 5 for $19.90. Hats, beanies, face masks, and they also have a hat and scarf set for only $9.90. Okay, so let's see what size their shirts go up to. And I believe the shirts are unisex. So the shirts go up to a 3XL. And let's see what size the flannel goes up to. And the flannel also goes up to a 3XL. So Never Too Fly to Pray has a lot of stuff that you can pick from. So if you're interested, I would recommend hopping onto the website. If you made it this far in the video and have not yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? I'll wait. And if you are enjoying this video, please smash that like button. It will really help me out. What I have noticed is there are a lot of Christian clothing lines that's out that are really nice. So if that's something you would like to see me do more of, please put a comment below and let me know. Like I said before, this was a mystery box. I got the shirt, the hat, and the socks for $19.99. Shipping was $9.80, a little bit on the pricier side, but because they gave me a whole experience with the box, with the tags, I didn't care. Also, make sure you go and visit their store. I'll put all their information in the links below. So this has been my review of Never Too Fly to Pray. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next merch review.